What's up friends and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to log in Banco BPI Portuguese online banking. So guys, let's get started. First guys, when you open this official URL website, you see this option guys, two option here, enter and you see enter and open account. Click this icon, enter. And from here guys, you have two options here. You have the name or address, adesso, and you have código secreto. This is the main password and your username. And from here enter your username. For example, this is my name, and write your password, or I think the password from here. The same thing with app guys, just open the app from here, and after download the app guys, you see this option guys, you see option from here, the same thing from here, this option guys, you see this option on the app, like this option you see from here on the app. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like, give share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Any question down below in the comments, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.